Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you some delicious tacos, homemade tacos, steak tacos. It doesn't have to be Tuesday to have Tuesday tacos. It could be any day of the week as long as you make delicious tacos. If you're here for the first time, subscribe, leave me thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. And you know something? Let's get started. Let me show you the ingredients. The ingredients. I have salsa matcha or chili oil, pink salt, black pepper, garlic powder, 1 lime, cilantro, poblano chiles, 1 red pepper, onion. I have here flat meat or skirt meat. You could use the one you have at home. Tortillas. This is everything we need to make these delicious tacos at home. Remember, it doesn't have to be Tuesday to have Taco Tuesday. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the poblano chiles. I'm going to roast them really good from both sides until they are nice and roasted. After they are really nice and roasted, I'm going to put them in a baggie and I'm going to let them rest for just a couple minutes until I am ready to start dicing them. Well, here, let me continue with my bell pepper. I have the red bell pepper here that I'm going to start slicing in little strips. I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to continue with my onion. I have the onion here, which I'm going to dice in very small little pieces, really finely, because this is going to be for my pico de gallo. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. I have a tomato here, which I'm going to slice in little pieces, cube it completely. Remember, you want to incorporate all these delicious veggies in your pico de gallo. I have my cilantro here, and I'm going to just cut the sides, and I'm going to go ahead and chop it really good, nice and small, transfer it to a plate, and then I'm ready to start making my pico de gallo. I'm adding my cilantro. I'm going to add the onion. I'm going to add the tomato. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. And of course, you can't forget the lime. I'm going to add the juice of this lime. And I am going to really enjoy these steak tacos with this pico de gallo. Once you added the juice of the lime, you just have to mix it around, making sure that everything is completely covered with the juice of the lime. And this is ready. To tell you the truth, these tacos come out amazing every time. And you gotta enjoy these tacos at home. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. And let's enjoy these delicious steak tacos. Well, here I have my chiles poblanos. And I'm ready to remove the skin. They're still hot. But this is when you want to go ahead and remove the skin carefully. You want to make sure that you remove the skin, remove the seeds completely, and then we're going to start slicing them in little strips. Look at this. Okay, let's slice them very thinly, nice and thin, just like this. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put them here with the bell pepper and reserve it. I have here my flat steak. It's nice and thin. And I'm going to go ahead and start slicing it in little strips so that they incorporate completely with the chilies. This taco really comes out amazing. It doesn't have to be Tuesday to have Taco Tuesday. You could make tacos any day of the week. as long as you take your time and you make a delicious taco at home. Well, I'm going to continue slicing the beef. I am completely done, and now I am ready to add some salt. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add black pepper. And of course, I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime. This is going to really make the steak absorb all those spices, and this steak really comes out amazing. Let's incorporate it completely so it's covered with the lime. And of course, we want to make sure that everything is well coated with the lime and the spices. Once this is done, let's go to the stove and let's start with the magic. Let's start cooking the steak. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to add the steak in here, and I'm just going to let it cook in medium low heat until it starts releasing all the natural juice. You want to make sure that you cook it and all that juice really starts cooking and penetrating the meat. Once it's drying up, then it starts getting nice and brown. When you start seeing little specks getting nice and brown, then that's an indication that we need to add the red bell pepper. Remember that the red bell pepper is not cooked, so we need to just saute it a little bit. Put it in the meat so it starts absorbing the delicious flavors of the meat. After 3-4 minutes, add your poblanos chilies. Add them in here, incorporate it completely, and then just cook it for just another 3 more minutes. And then this will be done. Look at this. Doesn't it look delicious? Yes, it does. And my home smells amazing. Well, this is completely done, and now I am ready to put my comal, my skillet, and add some tortillas. I'm adding just a little bit of oil so I could add my tortillas and start warming them up, because I can't wait to make these tacos and enjoy them with my family. Look at this. I'm going to start adding all these delicious flavors into my tortilla. I have already my pico de gallo, my salsa matcha that you already have on my channel. You have it as salsa matcha or chili oil. But this salsa comes out amazing. It's a little spicy and it has so much flavor of garlic. You could add the salsa to anything. And this is a perfect thing to add this salsa matcha on tacos. Look at this, all the strips of the chilies, the bell pepper, the poblano, and now the pico de gallo that I'm adding right on the top. I'm adding the pico de gallo, and of course, I'm going to add the salsa matcha, the chili oil. That's going to be spicy, but it's really going to bring all those delicious flavors together. My mouth is watering, and I can't wait to enjoy. See you in a bit. I am done with these delicious homemade tacos. Look at this. They look amazing, and I am ready to taste, because you know this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. A little bit more of lime, and let me enjoy this delicious taco made at home with lots of love. Excuse me. Amazing. And with this chile de árbol, amazing. I know that you guys must make this delicious taco. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. See you in my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.